All right, the girls are all loaded up in the car this morning. We are going somewhere very special today. You can tell by their hairdo. You're gonna get out in just a minute. We gotta drive to, where are we going? Where are we going? Dr. Minton's? Are we going to see Dr. Minton? Scarlett, do you like Dr. Minton?
Yeah, Dr. Minton.
Yes, you do like Dr. Minton, because guess what? When you guys were very first born, did you know that he took care of you guys for a long time so that you guys could get strong and healthy and come home with mom and dad?
Yeah.
And who was the first one that came home? Who was it?
Me.
It was Heber. Heber was the first one to come home.
First one.
You were the last one to come home because you were so little. Can you believe that? And you and Scarlett came home together. You guys came home on the same day from the hospital. Did you know that?
Yeah.
And Dr. Minton is the one who released you to come home. And today, we're gonna head down there and say hello to an old friend. All right, guys, so today is a very special day. We are actually heading down to the NICU where the girls spent the first 2 months of their lives. It's gonna be very emotional. We always go down there and just say hi to our friends. We miss those guys, we love them. They did so much for us. But today we also have a special reason. As you guys know, it's NICU Awareness Month. And we are heading down, partnered up with Minky Couture, and they are donating a whole bunch of mini Minkies to the NICU. Now what's cool about this is every time you buy a regular sized Minky with them, they're gonna donate a mini to a NICU all over the country. Head over to their website, minkycouture.com, and you can read all about this Heart of Minky and see all of the good that they do out there. But we are so happy, once again, to be partnered with Minky, one of our favorite companies ever. We love them so much, and they do so much good in the world. And so we're excited to get down to our NICU to go see our people and donate some of these Minkies and share some goodness and some happiness with those who really need it right now. The girls are here at the NICU. They've got their Minkies. Grabbing a few pictures before we go in. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. It's kind of surreal because they are taking these Minkies right here to go deliver to the NICU where they used to live. Can you guys believe that? That is crazy. We used to be in the NICU where they're gonna go deliver these.
The car valet guys, like, do you guys need directions within the hospital? And I was like, nope, these girls used to live here for 2 months. I know exactly where I'm going.
Exactly. All right, girls, put them in the box. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. Throw it in the box.
Just let him hold them.
Okay, here we go. Hey, Daddy's got to carry this box. You guys got to run by yourselves, okay?
Do we do the two of us? Okay, Ash is all right, guys, we are here at the hospital, and it's just like bringing back so many memories for me. Good and not so good.
Kind of emotional being here because we
really
spent so much
is.
time here and so many emotions here, like
And it's
worrying,
so different,
but
like
also
they've-
happiness and like craziness at the same time.
It's just, all of it was insane. So Ash
Keep
doesn't
going
know the way.
straight.
Girls, where are we going? Do you know where we're going at? Dr. Minton? That's what she just said, Dr. Minton. Scarlett, are you excited to see Dr. Minton?
Yeah.
Do we love him so much? He saved your girls' lives. Yeah. And we're gonna give all these babies these Minkies, huh? Okay, you guys, so these mini Minkies are literally what we used as girls as blankets when they came home from the NICU. Like, that's how tiny they were. I'll see if we can pull one of these mini Minkies out at home and show you just how big it is. But it's really a small blanket, and the girls used it as their blanket because they were so tiny.
Oh my gosh, this is your old floor, girls.
And then they would have to buzz us in and come see. I'm gonna do it again.
You know, we might see Aunt Rachie here. Aunt Rachie works here. She works on labor and delivery side. So it's kind of cool. She works right where we used to be.
Blankets. Thank you.
Get this at.
Girl, stand right there on that heart.
Oh, stand on that heart.
Stand right there on that heart.
Stand on that heart and look at Mama.
Look right here. So I line them up right behind it.
Okay, everybody stand. Let's see. I need one right here and one.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so great.
Let's go. Who is it?
Hey girls,
Oh my goodness, we know this guy right here.
do you remember me?
Alright, so these are a lot of the staff that we knew when we were here very intimately. These are our best helpers, and of course, everybody knows Dr. Minton right here. This is who worked with the girls every single day from their birth. Oh my gosh. Until they were discharged from the hospital. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Give hugs. Everybody give hugs.
I'm jealous.
Don't you carry that? Good
Can I have gloves now? Oh, yay. Oh, hi, girls. Love you. Oh, my gosh. At their hair.
You want yours? Okay, go get that.
They are so big. I loved their first day of school picture.
Oh, yeah, that was a good day.
I'll give you a hug, bud.
Good to see you. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Taking a couple days off every once in a while? You're still here every minute.
I actually just got back from Mesa Verde.
So he's not taking days off. Or vacation?
Vacation.
5 days.
Good. That's good to hear.
Yes, I do.
You deserve that and much more.
And Joni explained to me how much I wanted to go on it.
So good. Life is good. No complaints. We're just enjoying the ride. You know?
What a ride.
Oh, it's a ride. Oh my God. I'm not ready for that yet. Hey.
Aren't they beautiful?
I like it.
Thanks for bringing your kids. Hi, guys.
So these
How you
are
doing?
like this big, but they were what you used to
Did you know that he worked on the minute you were born? Did you know that?
That picture went around the world.
Yeah, it did. This one right here, this is a little heavy. How are you? Good to see you, man. How are things?
Good.
How are the girls? Well, they're thriving, you know. So, taking over. They're telling us what they were.
So, preschool yet? Or?
Yep.
I know.
Yeah, they
I
started this
can't
year.
believe. Come here, sissy.
They're doing the sister thing right now.
So is it easier to dress them the same or not?
It's easier to
Easier right now.
Because then there's no fights over who wears what?
Do they all have that genetic trait that she can curl her tongue?
No,
No, yes, they do.
not all of them.
Yeah. Scarlett and Evie, can you go like this?
I didn't know these two could, can they still?
Scarlett can. She did it the other
Yes,
day.
Oh,
Scarlett.
she can even
Flat
roll it.
overload.
She can even roll it.
I guess they all kick, but I didn't know that.
I can't.
See, I sense a picture coming up.
Oh yeah, there's a picture coming. We need a picture with all of you guys.
Can you tell they're all this?
Come on, Steve.
Oh, we'll have Ash take it. Tyson, you get in. We'll have Ash take it.
Where do you want me?
We want you. Here, look.
Steve, right here. I got a chair.
Yeah, that's perfect.
He's an old man, too, anyways. He can't
You did it?
Did you really say that?
I'll get down here. Tyson, you come get down here.
Right here.
Oh, okay. You come get in.
Are you taking a photo?
The girls are kind of popular around here.
They wanted to donate
Everybody
because
wants
it's
to
NICU Awareness Month.
say hello. This is so cute. There's all the doctors that took care of them right when they were born. Dr.
Oh, man.
Richardson.
I've never got my kids when I say 1, 2, 3, smile. They all 4 smiled at once. Unbelievable.
They're used to that, Dr. Minton.
1, 2, 3.
That's a good smile.
Okay. Hey, girls. Smile, girls, right here. Right here, look at Mom. Say cheese.
Okay. This did change a little because they were working over here when we were here. Yeah, I remember.
Except not us. So you're gonna. You are so sweet.
So you guys are staying in
Picture
the
of you where it
old
says
here,
thank you
okay.
home.
Yeah.
Girls, everyone's good. Where's your nose? Where's your knees?
Oh, really? Oh, they're still
Where's
going.
your cheese?
So that's going to come down.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Thank you. 5. One of the twins, huh? Oh gosh, they look so good.
Well, thanks to you guys. We seriously, we thank you guys. Girls, look, they recognize this picture from our house. This is one of the first pictures that we saw. Ashley actually tells an incredible story about this photo. And the guy, her painting, not photo, excuse me, painting. And the guy who did this painting actually signed one for us and gave it to us. And that is, yes, and that's the one that hangs in our house, huh? Do you love it? Who is that? Who's in the picture? Who is it, Indy? It's Jesus, that's right. Keep going.
wow, awesome.
Hey, let's get it up here on the counter. We're gonna put it right here. Can you lift it? Lift it. Oh, thank you, girls. Thank you. Okay, you gotta throw that one up there too. We're gonna give that. We don't really throw it. She was talking around. That was, she's got a good aim too, so you gotta watch out. Okay.
They're looking at oh, look, all the doctors, all the neonatologists. Tyson, let Dr. Jorday take one.
Jorday, will you take this?
Yeah.
How about you take two? And I'll make
Okay, they're all looking the girls. Look at the babies. Look how cute. Oh.
Say hi, Mom. She's like, I don't know what's going on.
Girls, did you know you used to be that tiny?
The doctors used to take care of the girls.
You used to be that tiny.
Did you touch the door? I didn't. I touched the door.
You did.
That's my turn.
Oh, good job. You made it back. Okay, go touch the door then.
This one. I didn't touch that door.
Good job.
I didn't step on my shoe.
Oh, that's good enough, guys.
All right, Mom's getting the girls situated for our traditional picture with Dr. Minton. She's getting them all in order.
Okay,
The girls have really warmed up. They're so excited to be here. There we go. Okay, girls, look at Mama.
Okay. Girls, look right
Smile big.
here. Look right here.
Look at Mama.
Look at Mom. Touch your nose. What's Mom touching now? What's Mom touching now? Give me a big smile.
Aww.
I love you, girls.
Say we love you too.
Can I see
Yeah.
all of you one more time curl your tongues?
Show Grandpa Minton. Oh
Yeah, see, I knew
wow.
she could do it.
Holy cow, I didn't even know that.
Can you do it?
Look at Indy. She's like, no, I'm not doing it. I don't want to do it.
She twisted.
He wanted to see them curl their tongue. Scarlett, show them again.
You're crazy, Ed.
All together now. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
Everyone
way
shake
to
your
go.
heads, shake your
Shake your hands, girls. Shake your hands.
Lives, go give
Thank you.
lives.
Thank
Big
you.
hug.
This one, give big
Oh,
hugs.
we all get a hug.
Big hugs,
Give Carrie a hug now. Give Carrie a hug.
Carrie
Group
hugs,
hugs.
give
Group
Carrie
hugs.
hugs.
Group hugs.
Oh, this is the best
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now give Eric a hug. Give Eric a big hug. Big hug. Big ones. Big ones. Yay!
Oh, they're so sweet.
And who's that one over there? Who's that one over there?
Evie.
That's Evie? They're pointing at all the babies like, and that's Indy, and that's Evie.
Sure, let's let them go.
Yeah. That's all you guys. Guys, it was so awesome being up there, seeing so many familiar faces.
It was just so good to
Didn't
see.
it bring back like a flood of memories of like
I'd like to
all the
get a
experiences we had with
candy.
those guys?
I'd like to get a
Okay,
candy.
come here.
I'd like to get
We told them we could get a candy. 'cause
They were so
sweet.
good up there.
a candy.
Okay. I just was like so many floods of emotions. I saw a NICU mom walking in to go see her baby, and I just wanted to give her a hug and just be like, it's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Let me just give you a hug. I know how hard that time is. Like that time was just so hard, you know, just coming every single day. But we had such incredible staff here at,
These guys are the best.
at Provo Hospital, Utah Valley Hospital. It was just amazing. Like they are, I mean, NICU staff are literally angels that walk here on earth. Like they just watch over these little spirits and these little souls that are fighting so hard for their lives, and we're just so grateful for them and for everything that they do. And We're so grateful for Minky Couture for donating these Minkies so that we could come here and deliver them. They asked us to deliver them, so it was so much fun.
Gave us a really good reason to come down, so that was really, really good.
It was really cool.
Awesome
And
coming down and seeing everybody though.
NICU Awareness Month, so if you guys can donate something to your local NICU, help out wherever you can.
Also, if you want to share your NICU story, go to Heart of Minky at minkycouture.com and you can share your NICU story that they will share on their pages as well.
Yeah.
Love you guys.
Love
We'll
you.
see you
Bye.
soon. The girl's moving too fast for me. I can't keep up with them. Which way? Not that way. This way. This way. Keep going. All the way to the end. Wait, the bench is sparkly?
Yes.
How did it get sparkly? Look at it sparkly. That's crazy. I can see your sparkles. Indy, where's your sparkles? Oh, right there. It is. It's twinkling. It kind of is. All right, so if you look right up there in that corner room right there, that was Ashley's room where she stayed for about 8 weeks. I think we were here 7.5, almost 8 weeks. And that was her little corner office up there. So crazy how fast time goes by. All right, the girls were so good at the NICU. They were so awesome. We had such a great time. I told them I would take them to go get a little treat afterwards. And what do you think they wanted? Daylight donuts. So we're here. They're gonna go inside today and actually pick out their own donut, their favorite one. They get to pick out their own one. So let's go see what's going on in there.
Pink, sweet, say thank
One
you.
more pink one.
Oh, sorry.
There you are.
Say thank you.
Can you tell her which kind?
I got white.
You already made for that?
Yeah.
That's okay. Okay, tell her which kind you want.
Pink.
Pink? One more pink. Oh, yeah!
All right, so we came to reward the girls. We got them some donuts for being so good at the NICU.
And they're not eating theirs, they're just eating all of theirs.
You guys, can you tell Tyson's no longer on keto?
What's keto? What is that?
It was working so well. We went on a vacation and he cheated and he never stopped cheating.
I'm taking a little break.
We're trying to get him back on it, guys. Anyways, girls, you did so good and I'm so proud of you. Can you tell everybody bye? See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow.
Say I love you.
Love you. Hey, everybody look right up here and say, okay, hold on. Look right up here and say, I love you.
I want to. She's saying I want to. She's not saying I love you. I want to. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me